Hey guys, so I wasn't planning on doing a video for this. I've never really watched an unboxing video. I know that they're a thing, they're not my thing, but I thought I might do a quick one to show you what's going on here. I've just bought my second saw from protooling.com.au. I bought this Japanese saw from them a few months ago just to test it out because I've seen other people use them and they talk about how good they are. And it's my favourite saw in the shop, it's fantastic. So this one is, I probably should have prepared for this. I think it's called the Ryoba. It's got a crosscut side and a ripping side. And what I've bought now is I think a Dozuki, which is a dovetail, Japanese dovetail saw. Super excited to see what it's like because that one is fantastic. Before doing this, I probably should have watched one or two unboxing videos because I don't actually know what the process is. Do you talk about the packaging? It's a nice box, but it does have a nice big fat dent in it. It's like there's no dramas there. Ooh, Japanese newspaper, that's exciting. Ooh, 5% off, I'll keep that, thank you. Let's have a look. Ooh. Wear gloves and safety goggles when changing the blade, just in case it jumps into your face. Might happen. I guess I'm just going to rip this. Ooh. Look how thin it is. It's pretty cool. The other day I made this quick little bench hook for my other Japanese saw. I'm going to give this one a shot on it. Bearing in mind that this saw, because it's, well, I suppose the dovetail one, it's got the rigid back on it, it doesn't cut all the way down, so I'm going to put a spacer on the back. So I will make another proper bench hook for this one. Actually no, that probably doesn't make sense for one of these, does it? I just want to use it. That is ridiculous. Where is it? Look how thin that kerf is. So because of the way I cut it, I've got two edges here, but let's ignore that for the moment. That is so smooth. That's like it's been sanded, it's so sharp. Oh, fantastic. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy this guy. A few little saw marks, but that's because I wasn't holding it properly, I think. And I didn't cut all the way through, which is why that's still there. And also I'm probably using it the wrong way because I'm supposed to cut down this way. It's for joints, isn't it? I know that this isn't really a useful cut, but it's fun to be able to do. So I know that's not a real test in any way, shape or form. It's just pretty much me just hacking wood as fast as I can. But man, it's really fun to use. It's super sharp. The kerf is crazy thin, but it's very stiff because of the back. I think Japanese saws are my favorite. It's just so much easier to use, I guess. I'll leave product details and all that sort of stuff and the link from where I bought it from down. There's no commission because this isn't really a real recommendation because I'm not actually showing you how to use it, I guess. But I am saying that if you're wondering about buying a Japanese saw, oh my god, just go and buy it. They are so much fun. I'm going to go cut up some more wood. Catch you, gang.